Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello, everyone. It's time for another round of We Love Hakka's Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我是 Josephine. Is it time to cook up something again?
应该算时间差不多了。
差不多了哈。
对
Yes, it is time to teach you to cook up another popular Hakka dish. All right, 今天要教大家煮的这道菜叫做什么呢？
因为现在那个天气越来越热嘛，你也甜不会多
OK
所以呢，我们来吃一个比较清淡的好了。
All right,
Hey.
because the weather is getting hot, so something that is easy for on the tummy, if you will.
好，这道菜呢就叫做長條乾燉排骨。
長條乾燉排骨，排骨啦。
排骨
Spare
答
ribs.
对
Okay,
了
there's some spare ribs in this dish, but something in addition to that I'm not understanding yet. 前面一定是有加什么料了。
对啊，
加了什么料
当然啦，前面那个長條乾啊，我不知道你有没有吃过，就是那个长豆長條然后晒干之后就变長條乾。
就像四季豆是比较这个短一点的哈，它那个很长
对，很长那种
对啊
豆子，
那跟手差不多一样长了。
哇，
感觉
真的，
对不对？Yeah, it's the yard long bean. Okay, so yard long beans with spare ribs. 所以呢，这道菜是用炒的吗？把这两个材料放在一起炒？还
是要用炖的，用炖呢。
所以刚刚才叫炖
这样子
啊。That's right. The whole dish is actually. 我们再讲一次，这是长豆干炖排骨汤就对了。
对，
再讲一次怎么说？
長條乾燉排骨。
長條乾燉排骨。So 長條乾 again is the yard long bean. 排骨 is the spare ribs, but 燉 that means to simmer, to make it into a soup. Oh, I got it. 那这会很麻烦吗？还要再加很多材料进来吗？
其实不会耶，我就会说嘛，就是天气热，你也甜的时间我们就吃的清淡一点。
That's right.
哎呀，你看这道菜很简单，就这两个材料，然后再加一点盐，还有揉一些的糖
，OK，
糖，
还有呢？
就这样子啊，然后加水啊，够简单吧
？Good, this is simple, especially for those who feel the weather is too hot. You don't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. You just put your spare ribs in, the yard-long beans in, with some salt, some sugar, simmer it for a little while, and it's going to be a tasty soup dish. 太棒了，太好吃了，感觉改天一定要来煮煮看了。
对，
再讲一次，这道菜叫做什么呢？
長條乾燉排骨。
長條乾燉排骨。There you go. Hopefully you learned another great dish here with We Love Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.